Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to display a text on a screen using a function in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, visitors, and most importantly to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, by sharing my videos, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, we have here sharp include IOStream for input output in C++. So basically this library file is very important. We cannot see a C++ program without using this IO stream, library file. IO means input output using namespace std. So we declare a function here, void display underscore text begin, and then we have here console out, and then we will have a series of text here to display text on the screen, and then we close the body of our function display underscore text. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program begin, and then we calling our function display underscore text. To execute, we simply put a semicolon at the end of the function name, and then we have the right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. That's it. Let us go to our dev C++ IDE, compile and run to see the result. Okay, we have here to the output to display a text on the screen. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to display a text on the screen using C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.